Humidity, and once again near record highs yesterday. I think we actually tie a record high today, but all the talk is going to be the tropics. Okay, so we've got Gabrielle moving away as a category 3, but it's these two areas right here, areas 1 and 2 we're watching, and it's not often that you're likely to see two named storms at the same time between Bermuda and Florida in the United States. So we got to keep an eye on this. Notice the latest hatchlings though still keep it east of us, all right, but closer to home. In fact, if there is a higher risk of landfall, again, it would be at this point the Bahamas, Cuba, Hispaniola, and then as we go into time next week, maybe South Florida and the Carolinas, two areas that would be at a higher risk. But the problem is we have to wait to see where these cyclones form, and then we'll have a better handle and how they're going to interact with each other. But the overall pattern, I'm still very optimistic with. The overall pattern that's been helping to recurve these and keep them east of home sweet home, right? You see the Bermuda high still in place as we look at the Euro model. Here's Thursday, Friday, and through the weekend. We are watching these two systems take shape. Okay, here's one. The first system's likely to stay out to sea, but could be west of Bermuda. It's this one right here that could start to really fire up just to the east of Florida as we head into late weekend and move up to the east of Jacksonville into next week, early next week. So for us, likely to bring impacts of rough seas and surf at this point. But again, this could all change. But I like what I'm seeing here. We still have the escape route between the two high pressures, one here and one here. So as we watch how this moves, you can see coming very close to the Carolinas and then starting to swing out to the east and northeast. But again, it all depends on how it interacts with that other cyclone that's developing a named system. So 93 out to sea. Right now we've got 94 out. That's the one closest to Florida, likely to be named as we head into at least a tropical depression into late weekend, early next week. And you can see that could bring those coastal impacts for us between Sunday and Tuesday, but high uncertainty on the track until these systems develop. Here's the first one, the one likely to stay closer to Bermuda. Right now, not very organized. The spaghetti models keeping it out that way, especially just to the west of Bermuda. And then the second one I'm most concerned about, not really showing much development here, just a few scattered showers toward Antigua, Barbuda, Martinique, and Puerto Rico at this time. But unfortunately, the models have it taking shape, developing near the Bahamas, and again, skirting right near, not too far from South Florida, and then maybe up toward the Carolinas. So we'll have to watch